What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data is not working in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then check your network connection works properly or not. After check your network connection, then scroll down and click on system and update. After clicking on system and update, then here you can see the option backup and reset. Now click on it. Now again click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back and click on erase all data. Now enter your password to erase all your data. Basically, erase all your data means factory data reset. It will destroy all the data in your device like photos, videos and other data in your device. After erase all the data, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.